Item 668. Prefabricated pavement markings. 1. Description. Furnish and place retroreflectorized or non-reflectorized, contrast, prefabricated pavement markings. 2. Materials. Furnish prefabricated pavement marking materials in accordance with DMS 8240, permanent prefabricated pavement markings. Furnish prefabricated pavement marking materials used for contrast markings in accordance with DMS 8240, permanent prefabricated pavement markings, with the exception that the color requirement for the black contrast portion does not have to meet the color requirements specified for white or yellow markings. Store all materials in a weatherproof enclosure and prevent damage during storage. 3. Construction. 3.1 General. Obtain approval for the sequence of work and estimated daily production. Remove all waste generated from the job site before the end of each working day. Establish guides to mark the lateral location of pavement markings as shown on the plans or as directed, and have guide locations verified. Use guide material that will not leave a permanent mark on the roadway. Place pavement markings in alignment with the guides without deviating from the alignment more than 1 inches per 200 feet of roadway or more than 2 inches maximum and with no abrupt deviations. 3.2 Placement limitations. Do not place Type B pavement marking materials between September 30th and March 1st unless otherwise directed. 3.2.1 Moisture. Apply material to pavement that is completely dry. Pavement will be considered dry if, on a sunny day after 15 minutes, no condensation occurs on the underside of a 1 square feet piece of clear plastic that has been placed on the pavement and weighted on the edges. 3.2.2 Temperature. Follow pavement and ambient air temperature requirements recommended by the material manufacturer. Do not place material when the pavement temperature is below 60 degrees Fahrenheit or above 120 degrees Fahrenheit if the material manufacturer does not establish temperature requirements. 3.3 Dimensions. Place markings in accordance with the color, length, width, shape, and configuration shown on the plans. Locate alignment as shown on the plans or as directed. 3.4 Methods. Place all materials in accordance with the material manufacturer's instructions, as well as the surface condition, moisture, and temperature requirements of this item, unless otherwise directed. 3.5 Surface preparation. Prepare surface by any approved cleaning method that effectively removes contaminants, loose materials, and conditions deleterious to proper adhesion. Abrasive or water blast cleaning is not required unless shown on the plans. Blast clean, when required, in accordance with item 678, pavement surface preparation for markings. Prepare surfaces further after cleaning by sealing or priming as recommended by the pavement marking material manufacturer or as directed. Use adhesive, when required, of the type and quality recommended by the pavement marking material manufacturer. Do not clean concrete pavement surfaces by grinding. 3.6 Performance requirements. 3.6.1 Adhesion. Ensure markings do not lift, shift, smear, spread, flow, or tear by traffic action. 3.6.2 Appearance. Ensure markings present a neat, uniform appearance that is free of excessive adhesive, ragged edges, and irregular lines or contours. 3.6.3 Visibility. Ensure markings have uniform and distinctive retroreflectance when inspected in accordance with TxDOT 828B. 3.7 Performance period. All markings must meet the requirements of this item for at least 30 calendar days after installation. Remove and replace all pavement markings that fail to meet requirements at the contractor's expense unless otherwise directed. Replace failing markings within 30 days of notification. All replacement markings must also meet all requirements of this item for a minimum of 30 calendar days after installation. 4. Measurement. This item will be measured by the foot or by each word, shape, or symbol. This is a plan's quantity measurement item. The quantity to be paid is the quantity shown in the proposal, unless modified by Article 9.2, Plans quantity measurement. Additional measurements or calculations will be made if adjustments of quantities are required. 5. Payment. The work performed and materials furnished in accordance with this item and measured as provided under measurement will be paid for at the unit price bid for prefabricated pavement markings of the type and color specified and the shape, width, and size specified as applicable. This price is full compensation for cleaning the pavement by any means other than required abrasive or water blast cleaning or milling, furnishing and placing materials, and equipment, labor, tools, and incidentals. Abrasive or water blast cleaning and milling, when shown on the plans, will be paid for under item 678, pavement surface preparation for markings.